Did you know that raw cacao powder and cocoa powder come from the same source but offer different benefits? Some people are confused by the term raw cacao, as it also refers to the cacao fruit's sweet, juicy pulp, as well as its seeds, most commonly known as cacao beans. So to be clear, in this video we're talking about the mighty cacao bean found inside the colorful pods of the Theobroma cacao tree. This magical bean is the heart of chocolate making. It transforms into two superfoods, raw cacao and cocoa powder. Aren't they all the same thing? Not quite. I'm taking on the challenge of comparing raw cacao and cocoa powder to see which one truly deserves the title of the cacao superfood. Be sure to watch until the end of this video, as I'll be clearing up some confusion. So, their journey from tree to table takes different paths, which is what gives them their unique properties. Raw cacao powder is made from dried, cold-pressed, unroasted beans. This process keeps the living enzymes in the cacao and removes the fat, cacao butter, therefore also removing the controversial rise in cholesterol risk concern. A shout out to one of our subscribers at Ilonabaya6042 for your engaging comment. Cocoa powder, on the other hand, undergoes a similar process, but with an extra step. The beans are roasted, giving them that rich, chocolatey flavor. So which one should you choose? That depends on your taste buds and health goals. Both raw cacao and cocoa powder pack a powerful nutritional punch. They are loaded with antioxidants, fiber, magnesium, and iron. But there's a bit of confusion surrounding their effects on cholesterol and overall health. So let's clear that up. Raw cacao powder is naturally rich in flavonoids, plant compounds that can help lower LDL bad cholesterol and raise HDL good cholesterol. This heart-healthy benefit is slightly reduced in cocoa powder due to the roasting process. However, don't dismiss cocoa powder just yet. It still boasts an impressive nutritional profile. It's a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full. Plus, it's packed with minerals like magnesium, essential for muscle function and energy production. The bottom line is both raw cacao and cocoa powder offer incredible health benefits. The key is understanding their differences to choose the best option for you. To reiterate, the main difference between raw cacao powder and cocoa powder lies in their processing. Raw cacao is made by cold pressing unroasted cacao beans. This minimal processing helps preserve its natural enzymes, antioxidants, and that slightly bitter, earthy flavor. You'll often find raw cacao in the form of nibs, butter, or paste. Cocoa powder, however, undergoes a more intense process. The beans are roasted at high temperatures, which enhances their flavor and aroma, creating that classic chocolatey taste. The heat also makes the beans easier to grind into a fine powder. This difference in processing affects not only their taste, but also their nutritional content. Raw cacao retains more of the heat-sensitive nutrients like certain antioxidants. Cocoa powder, while slightly lower in some nutrients, still offers a concentrated dose of goodness. A matter of taste and health goals. When choosing between raw cacao and cocoa powder, consider your taste preferences and health goals. Raw cacao has a slightly bitter, earthy flavor that some might find intense. It's perfect for smoothies, energy balls, or sprinkled on yogurt for a healthy boost. Cocoa powder, with its rich, chocolatey flavor, is a versatile ingredient for baking and desserts. It blends well in smoothies and hot drinks, adding a touch of indulgence. If you're looking to boost your intake of antioxidants and enzymes, raw cacao might be your go-to. For a more palatable option with a lower price tag, cocoa powder is an excellent choice. Choosing your champion. Which cacao reigns supreme? In the battle of raw cacao versus cacao powder, there is no clear winner. Both are nutritional powerhouses offering unique benefits. It ultimately boils down to your individual preferences and health goals. For a more intense flavor and maximum nutrient retention, raw cacao takes the crown. If you prefer a milder, more chocolatey taste and prioritize versatility, cocoa powder is your champion. Remember, the most important thing is incorporating these superfoods into your diet. Whether you choose raw cacao or cacao powder, you're making a healthy choice. So go ahead, experiment in the kitchen and discover the magic of cacao. And hey, if you stumble upon any amazing recipes, remember to share them here in the comments section. Thanks for listening, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel for more healthy lifestyle hacks and habits.